Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to uh, bypass restarts computer while installing or while patching. If you click here rerun, still I got this error. To avoid this, okay, you can restart the pure PC, but in order to avoid that, we can bypass this using registry. Press Windows R, regedit, and now go to local machine, system, expand that current control set, control, session manager, expand that. Okay, now if you see here pending file rename operations, right click on that. You can delete all these and press OK. And yep, yep. Now you just rename the delete all this in the inside of the pending file rename operations. Just minimize this and come back and rerun. See, this is how you can avoid the restart while installing SQL Server or installing SQL Server or patching, doing the patching. So you can avoid that. So thank you.